today's video, we will take out the front bumper of 2015 Toyota Sienna. The very first step is we lift up the car because this will help us to make some space and take out the necessary clips and bolts. Then start the takeout process by taking out clips and bolts from the bottom, from right side and then left side, finally from the top. So let's jump into this. Very first screw is on the edge of the bumper from underneath side. A 10mm screw, taking it out using impact gun and 10mm nutsetter. Then we move ahead and notice there are a bunch of other screws that are already being taken out. Similar to the screw we just took out, there are actually 6 more screws that we are supposed to take out from the middle side one by one. In our case, they've already been taken out, so we are not able to demonstrate to you guys. But in the perfect world, if you're trying to take down this bumper yourself, make sure to take out those 6 screws from the middle. Jumping on to the other side, there's a similar 10mm screw that we need to take out. Once done, now we jump on to the sides. Notice one clip in the middle we take out using door upholstery remover. It was broken anyways from inside. And on the top side, you would notice there is a screw, taking it out using Phillips screwdriver. Once the screw is taken out, now we slightly pull the bumper from the edge. You will also notice the bumper losing its grip. Jumping onto the other side, similar clip we take out using door upholstery remover. And similar screw taking out using Phillips screwdriver. Again, we slightly pull the bumper from the edge, making sure it is losing its grip. Jumping onto the top side, and there are some straightforward clips we need to take out, and we will just be taking out these clips using door upholstery remover. In our case, we noticed there were 5 clips, but in your case it might be 6 clips and you need to take it out. Once these clips are taken out, now we take out the grill from the bumper, and notice there is one clip on one edge of the bumper and the other clip on the other end, but that clip has already been taken out due to some sort of damage. Now we can slightly pull the complete bumper. Bam, shazam, we ended up taking out the front bumper completely. Now in our case, we didn't notice any plugs for the fog lights, but in your case, if you do, make sure to take out the plugs for the fog light. If you stay till the end, or if this video helps you in any way, please give us a like or subscribe to our channel. It will help motivate us making more DIY content. Here's the section where you can watch our other DIY videos. Feel free to take a look at them, and we will catch you in the next video.